Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we are taking a look at something that ASUS sent over a few months ago and I've been using it ever since. This is the ROG Strix Go 2.4. So basically it's a wireless gaming headset which has a lot of features and I really like. So today we're basically going to do an unboxing, explain what you get inside and my experience using this ROG Strix Go 2.4 GHz. So I hope you like this video and a huge thank you to ROG for actually sending this over. Links will be down in the description as always. Let's get this video started. So let's start by seeing what is actually in the box. If you guys are interested in the full unboxing, do check out my other video with ROG. You should find it links down in the description below. But I'm just going to see what we get inside here and go through it one by one. So this is what you get in the box. First thing right here we can see is a warranty card provided by ASUS. Basically covers what the warranty is and it's in different languages, so you can take a look at that. Second thing included in the box is of course the quick start guide right here, so it goes through the basic functions of the headset. You can definitely pause to read if you want to, but it covers all of the buttons, functions and specifications of the device. Last but not least, we get the headset itself and it comes in this nice hard shell carrying case which I really like. Let's open it up and go through every accessory you get when you purchase it. So of course you get the headphones themselves. They are foldable into this kind of shape and you can carry them in the carrying case. So second thing you get right here is the 2.4 GHz dongle. Basically this Type-C right here can plug into your phone, your headset, even your PS4, PS5 and even your Nintendo Switch if you want to use it wirelessly. So other accessories you also get is a Type A to Type C charging cable right here. So this can use to charge up your headphones and it is wireless, it's going to have a battery inside. Second thing you get right here is a 3.5 to 3.5mm cable. If you want to use this with your computer without the wireless mode, you can actually use it. You can just plug it into the headphone and your computer. And it comes in this really nice braided cable which I think is really nice. ASUS also includes another additional adapter right here, so it's basically a Type A to Type C adapter if you want to plug it into, let's say, your PS4 or your computer doesn't have a Type C port built in. Last but not least, you get the mic and the little muffler right here, so basically this will plug into your headset if you want to use the mic and it's of course detachable. So let's take a closer look at the headphones themselves. Of course it is foldable as stated before. So actually both sides are foldable, so the left and right ear cups can fold in like this for easier carry. Talking about the ear cups, they actually come with this padded like pleather feel. Honestly it's really soft and really nice. And inside the ear cups you can see the ASUS ROG logo imprinted inside the drivers. So on the right ear cup, you get the ASUS ROG logo on the top here, and then you have the imprint of the logo on the ear cup itself. And on the bottom, you only get a Type-C charging port, and then you get LED indicator right here. On the left side, it's actually the opposite, so you get the ASUS ROG logo and the ROG wording right here. And on the bottoms, you get all the controls. So first things first, you get a mic plug-in right here for the microphone. Moving on, you get the 3.5mm headphone jack. You get an on-off switch so you can toggle it to the 2.4 GHz mode or wired mode. So right on top of the on-off switch right here, you actually get the function key. So this will basically control your audio play and pause. And right above that, you get the scroll wheel right here, which controls your audio plus and minus. And of course, you can mute the mic by pressing it down. And on the top band, it actually comes with this same pleather, really nice foam inside. And then you got the Republic of Gamers wording on the top and some really nice stitching on the back. Overall, these feel really nice to the hand with this soft touch plastic and the overall metal build quality and plastic. Honestly, I really like the feel and weight to it. Now let's move on to other stuff about this headset. So this is how the microphone sounds like on the ASUS ROG Strix Go 2.4. Honestly, it sounds quite decent, but I've heard better wireless microphones before. Just for some comparison, this is how the microphone sounds like on my camera, the Rode Video Micro. And we'll switch back right now. This is how the microphone sounds like on the headset. So for like normal gaming stuff, of course, it will be clear and your friends can hear you on Discord and everything. I do have my aircon running and the computer on, so you guys may hear a little bit of background noise, but this is how it overall sounds like. Honestly, it's quite okay and I like how it fits on my head and the noise isolation and everything is pretty nice. So here are my final thoughts on the ROG Strix Go 2.4. Is it worth it to get in 2022? So let's talk about pricing and availability. This headset right here on the market currently is around 500 to 600 ringgit for the wireless version, and the wired version costs around 300 ringgit. So for the wireless version being up to almost 600, I would say that it is a little bit high on the price, and the audio quality, especially the mic, isn't that good, but the other features honestly work really well, like the wireless functionality and the headset and the sound it makes. So the short answer is, I think no, this is not worth it to get in 2022 unless you can get it in really good condition in second hand for like cheaper. But for 500 to 600 ringgit, there are much more better wireless options out there that can compete in this space. But if you are a ROG fan and you're in the whole ecosystem, you might consider getting this. Maybe they're going to release a newer version down the line, but honestly, for the price at around 500 to 600 ringgit, you get a lot of features and a lot of support from ASUS, and also the build quality is amazing. So the bottom line is, if you're looking for a good wireless headset and you don't care about pricing, this is definitely a good buy. But if you're looking for a more budget option that is more competitive in this space, there are much more better options out there in the market. So that is it for this video, guys. Honestly, I've been using this headset for the past few weeks and I really like the design, especially everything that you get with it, with all the cables and accessories, and especially that hard shell carrying case. It's really easy to bring around and it really emphasizes on the Go name in the wireless headset. So it's a recommended from me, but for the price it is a little bit high, and I think that there are better options out there. But if you're interested in this device right here, this headset, you can definitely check the links down in the description below. Huge thank you to ASUS ROG Malaysia for sending this over for me to take a look at and review. And as always, if you like this video, leave a like, dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have more tech videos like this coming very soon. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye, guys.